Hi, I'm back. First off, I'm hoping I can splice those together. Otherwise, this is going to be two parts and it really will take 24 hours to get this up with my internet. But anyway, I forgot to tell you guys something. Um, I hold my papers together with these little things. I got them from the Dollar Tree. There's like 12 for $1. They're wonderful. They're awesome and they're very cheap. But that's while I was sewing. And one of the things that I did was like, okay, I have like a little inexpensive sewing machine, like got my husband got it from Aldi's for me for Valentine's Day because my other one is ginormous and I do not have the room for it. So, a little $39 sewing machine did this. It doesn't show really great, and let me explain why this looks so bad. Ooh, I forgot to take a pen. I don't see very well, white on white or folds or, white kind of blinds me. So if you take a pen and you run it down your fold, you have a better chance of getting a straight line. But since these aren't being sold, since this one is literally my tutorial one and one I'm just going to use myself, I'm not going to worry about it. Okay, see these ends? We're not even going to bother to tie those because we're going to glue something on the back to hide the lovely mess that occurred back here. Okay, and then I'm going to take a little bit of glue and put it right up here and it's going to be fine. These are holding like a champ. So let's do that so you can see what I do. Oh, sorry, that was me moving things. Again, my favorite glue, Fabrifix. And remember those pieces we cut off, those ends? That's what I'm going to use. Well, not that one, obviously. I'm going to use something like that. Little scraps to put over my, well, everything's too short. Well, you know what? We'll make it work. Because of the way I cut it. But that's what we're going to put on here. Okay? And I'm going to have to sit down, so I'm not going to see whether or not you're in or I'm in frame, so I'm hoping you guys can see this, but I need closer to this to be able to do it. So I'm going to take my glue, and I am not going to be, I'm not going to be easy with it. I'm going to use my glue. And I think I want to put this one on. I like the stripes running up and down. And remember, our spine's only 3/4 of an inch, so I'm kind of gonna eyeball it. And then we're gonna put something over the edges because this is just a wee bit short. Oh, it slid. Don't slide too much. Run my fingers down that. I love that this stuff glues quick. I just really want to press it down and make sure it's good and stuck. Ew, got some goopy on there. And thinking maybe we'll do, oh, but wait, we could do this. Got a little washi tape. Can you guys see? Okay. I want to make sure I get it on those ends. And now I'll still be able to use that on something else. And what I did on one of the other ones is I left, I don't know, like 1/8 of an inch. Come on, dude. I left just a little bit to go over the edge. And yes, I fabric-tacked that too because I want that thread. And I hope you guys can hear me too because I'm down here and you're up there. I'm gonna burnish it. And then I'm gonna flip this over, cut my strings. Well, I was gonna put that over, but I think I may do it this way. This might work better. See, I'm working here on the fly, guys, because I want to make sure these stick. Put a little glue. So why not use some of our washi for that? Cover up my stitches. And fold it over because, you know, all we're wanting it to do is keep our stitches tight. Boom. Can't tell I have teenagers, can you? But I mean, I still want it to look like not junky. Well, I guess we like junky. We like grungy though, you know? And oh, I'm a dork. This is 2 inches. I could have just done this like this. And it'd been the right length. But I mean, you know what I mean? We still want it to look nice. I mean, it's for us, but we don't want it to look gunked up. Oh, I really hope that's not my kids coming back from the store, because if it is, they're going to beat the door open and I will have to learn to hit the pause button and not the off button on my videos. Clip these bad boys that are stuck to me. Put a little glue here. Give me a couple inches. Oh, it is. Great. They're going to explode through the door. Even this up. Oh, wow, look at that. I did manage to hit pause this time. Well, and I was right, but you know what? Bless their hearts, they brought me a soda. Brought me a soda pop. Okay, so, you know, we can put washi down the whole thing instead of using this strip. We can, I mean, you guys can do anything you want. I just wanted to cover those stitches and make sure they're good to go. Now, this is going to be our... this is going to be our... tuck. So we can put big stuff in here. So I'm not putting, I'm not going to put 4 pieces of cardstock through my sewing machine. So it's just getting glued. Now, if you have a tougher sewing machine than my little $39 Aldi special, go for it. Oh, you know the other thing these are awesome for? Holding these bad boys together while the glue sticks. I've done that a lot too. Did I mention I still have 6 of my 8 living at home? Anyway, sorry about that. Sorry. So that's going to be our pocket. And I took, I took tracing paper. Got this at Hobby Lobby when they were like 40% off. Yay. And I literally cut them into, let me look at my deal here, 4 3/4 by 3 inches. Because if you cut 4 3/4, if you cut, ooh, sorry about that. If you cut 4 3/4 this way, you'll get 3 3 3. They're perfect. And then just take this strip, and I cut some big ones out of it. They're a little skinnier, but they work for those great big things you want to stick in there. You know, like the really big, the People by Tim Holtz. Now, these are going to be our pockets. I've got a whole stack of them. I am so not making you watch me do that. Sorry, no. And if you hear something besides my children walking through the door, it'll be the fan because my studio's getting hot. I have glued some with glue sticks. I have used Fabrifix. I have used, I mean, if it's a glue, I've tried it. I actually really like the double-sided sticky tape. I've even just used regular tape because I was at the very end of one and I was so aggravated I just wanted to finish it. But what I've got on here is well, I don't know what I did with it, but here's another brand of it. I mean, it's just double-sided 1/4 inch sticky tape. So I went around 3 sides. Oh, look, a puppy here. Yes, I have a black lab. She is my baby. And she is spoiled rotten, and she's 9 years old, and I'm going to spoil her as long as I got her. But, so, like, right here. I'm going to go down here at the bottom. Go against the edge. Because we cut this 4 3/4 and we have 5 inches across here, even with my wonky sewing. And straighten this out. Burnish this bad boy down. And we have a pocket. Now, you can put another one right here. Or you can put one of the, oh, I'm so sorry. Or you can put one of the really wide ones from the strip off the side right here and just put like the tall people from Tim Holtz. But I go through and do that on all of them. And you end up with, hang on, I got to put something on these. They are literally flying away. This turns into this. I have a loose butterfly. There she is. This is my botanicals because I like butterflies and bees and, or not botanicals, my insects. And so I've just got tons of stuff in here. Now, I don't have anything in the back yet, but as I fill this, as I get stuff, I had an idea that on the first of your, that I wanted to show you real quick. I thought, why couldn't we make tabs to separate them? And I have one of the tab punches, right? And then we could have a tab on each signature and they could be separated. Or, if you're like I was before I got my tab punch, you can just make a tab out of a leftover strip. And I think I might even put it white side out so I could write on it. And that's it, guys. That's... Oh, and a closure. I will be honest with y'all. You can put any closure on it you want. This is what I use so it can expand. Good old-fashioned rubber band. It works really well, too, because I don't have to tie it and retie it. I can just slide it on, and I'm good to go. And I do believe I'm probably going to use a bunch of Gale's. And that's what this one's going to be for, is for my edges, my trims. And that's what I'm going to put in here. I got Gale's trims, and where's Nick the Booksmith's washi tape? Oh, you guys got to see it. If you haven't seen it, you have to go look at it. Well, see, that's why I needed this. But she has some beautiful washi tapes. Nick the Booksmith does. And Gale has these beautiful trims. I'm sure there's other people out there that have them too. You know, Gale, these are antique trims. And I am assuming that Nick the Booksmith just... Oh, you know what? Here you go. This isn't all of them, but this is one of Nick the Booksmith's. I literally ran it off on a... I was going to try and make washi tape out of it, but I got the wrong labels. And they were just regular labels, so I just made stickers. But she has a bunch of them. They're just gorgeous. So there's my first tutorial. We'll see if I can get them hooked together, if it has to be part 1 and part 2. And we'll see how long it takes me to put it up. And I will see how totally embarrassing this is when I try to watch it on my phone. So, thanks, guys. You know what? Just have fun with everything we do. It's just, it's just an idea. Take it and run with it. I saw somebody else's and took it and run with it. So, you know, go for it. Don't forget to smile today. You guys have a great day. Bye.